the x of y equals 3x raised power 6 plus 2 in brackets raised power 5. And I could remember in school back then, solving this sometimes was quite tricky, using the chain rule, the y dx, using the chain rule, the y dx, and equals the y du times d dx. So I can remember sometimes we forget this and we couldn't solve this sometimes. We're trying to get this, we're trying to combine this together. So differentiating y with respect to u and so on and so forth. So well, I feel we can actually solve this in another pattern and very fast. We can solve this in just 10 seconds. Looking at what we have here, 10, 15 seconds thereabout. And the question is, if you have something like this, y equals, without using this rule, without multiplying all this, we have y equals, that's 3x raised power 6 plus 2 raised power 5. Okay, and look for the easiest way to solve this. So the first thing I'm going to do to solve this fast, I'm going to differentiate this. And if I differentiate this, I'm going to have 6 times 3, that is 18. Then, since I'm differentiating this, I'm going to take 1 off. Yes. And then the next thing I'm going to do is multiply their power, which is 5, down to 8. Yes. And then once I do that, then the next thing I'm going to do is bring the whole bracket and take 5 and take, 5 will be here, and I'm taking 1 away from it. So I multiply the same thing. I'm going to have 90 x raised power 5. Okay. And then I'm going to have this 3x raised power 6 plus 2 raised power 4. And with that, I've gotten the answer to that question. So this rule is also cool. But if you're, let's say you're solving a question and then you just want to be fast in solving that, you know how to differentiate this, you go by differentiating this, multiplying with the power. When you've done that, you go bring down the bracket you have like this. When you bring them down, you take 1 out of it again. And then voila, your answer is there. Thank you for joining me.